हेलो क्लास 8 स्टूडेंट्स, आज ये चैप्टर नंबर 6 फूड प्रोडक्शन एंड मैनेजमेंट की एक्सरसाइज की पार्ट 2 वीडियो है। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 तक पढ़ा था। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 से कंटिन्यू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है, व्हाई आर वीड्स हार्मफुल, व्हाट इज यूज्ड टू रिमूव देम। इसका आंसर है, weeds are harmful because they grow around the crops and use their nutrients as your food for growth, thus reduce the growth and yield of crops. Weeds are removed either manually or by spraying weedicide like Semazine or 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. Question number 9. What are insecticides? Give examples. Insecticides are insect-killing chemicals to protect crops from harmful insects. For example, malathion, dimacron, and polythion. Question number 10. How do insecticides protect crops? Insecticides protect plants by killing insects or pests as well as their larvae around crops without affecting crops. Question number 11. Which are the two main seasons in India for cultivating crops? In India, there are two main seasons for cultivating crops. Kharif season, in which crops is sown in June and July and harvested after the monsoon season, and Rabi season, in which crop is sown in October to December and harvested in March or April. Question number 12 is, name some harvest festival in India. Answer is Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, etc. are some harvest festival in India. Question number 13 is, name 4 factors responsible for improvement in crops. Answer is plant breeding, soil improvement, protection from pests and weeds, and storage are 4 factors responsible for improvement of crops. Question number 14. Write short note on the process of harvesting. Answer is, harvesting is the process of cutting and collecting the matured crop from the fields. This may be done either by hand or with a sickle or with machines known as combines or harvesters. Question number 15. Why does a farmer rotate crops in the fields? Answer is, because the rotation of crops adds minerals of the soil. It makes the soil more fertile to produce more crop yield. Question number 16. What do you understand by mixed crops? Answer is, the methods of growing crops together to save time and labor is known as mixed crops. Crops like groundnut and maize crops are grown together and are called mixed crops. Question number 17. Why are fields sometimes allowed to remain fallow? Answer is, fields are sometimes allowed to remain fallow to increase the humus and microorganisms in the soil so that to replenish the nutrients of the soil. Question number 18 is, list the importance of fish in our lives. Answer is, fish provides proteins. Its oil is used for many purposes. Fish is used to cure many diseases. Question number 18. What is the nutrient value of honey? Honey contains 17% water and 78% of sugar with minerals and enzymes, which helps in digestion of food. Question number 20. How are domesticated animals useful to us? Answer is, domesticated animals are useful to us because they provide many things for our day-to-day life, such as cows, goats, sheep, etc. provide milk and meat. Horses and camels are used to carry loads. Hens provide eggs and meat. Dear students, यहाँ पे ये एक्सरसाइज इस चैप्टर की कंप्लीट होती है। थैंक यू।